Okay, this should start in any moment. So guys, what happened here? I redesigned the whole thing a couple times. Like, there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Like, I think this was the one I started with. Then no, this was the one I started with. Then I split it into two. Didn't work. I tried to do everything in one sketch. It was getting too messy, so just fuck it, start it all again. And yeah, let's see how it goes now. So before I continue, let's see what's going on in here. So my main thing is my electronics bay. It's not defined by the angles anymore, and now I can get the now I can get the distances by measuring them instead of assigning, and the advantage of that is that I now can choose the dimensions of my electronics box, so I can make sure my batteries fit. Everything else is defined from that. I'll show you. Now I have this add-in which allows me to import and output my parameters into an Excel sheet, which is quite useful. Yeah. Now, as for components, I already built this. Now, what I'm planning to do today is just add the screws in here to tighten everything together. The pieces that hold the servos, by the way, got these bad boys in here. Yeah, 45 kilograms should be plenty. What else? Yeah, so the idea now, if you can see, guys, from the design, there's a space in here. In that space there's going to be a curve is C piece shape like this, holding the servo, and then I screw that piece into the the frame. That's how I'm going to do this. So here there's going to be holes. Another thing that's important to know, my 3D printer is tiny. I have a Voron Trident, but 150 cubed, so I'll have to split everything into pieces, small pieces. What I want to do is to cut it through the middle, and probably from the middle of the frame. Then I'll connect in different ways. I have the screws that go in here with a servo. They are going to connect here in the top, in the bottom. There's going to be screws connecting the servo, because yeah, you cannot see it. Let me show you. So there's going to be a piece in here connecting the screws to the frame. It's going to be like sandwich of pieces, and that central piece is going to have a screw that's coming all the way from the top to the bottom of here. My screws should be long enough. I have 40mm screws. These are 40mm. Probably not enough, but I can meet midway in the top part. That's also an option. What else? Yeah, let's just get into it. Yeah, let's start working on the connections. Probably here because of the chamfers. So let's start by doing this. I don't want this constraint. Bam. And these constraints are terrible. And let's make them perpendicular. Same shit the other side. I don't get why these don't get automatically constrained. I'll not be changing the parameters too much this time because my computer is rather slow. It's not made for CAD, it's just made for casual gaming or some school work. For the screws, I'll do 3 circles. You'll get the idea. Now I'm wondering if 1 screw is going to be enough for this. The screws that connect to the servo are already here. And they are tiny, it's like 1 millimeter or something. I can always change them later because this piece is tiny. Maybe here? 2 around here, they cannot be in the center because this is going to be split. Maybe here in line? Yeah, sounds good. Let's make them parallel. Oh shit. Oh, okay. This also works. This also works. And as long as they are equal, this should be also constrained, right? Yeah. Okay, now how much? Let's make them collinear. Oh wait, I don't actually need this. I can just do this. Yeah. Wait, I cannot see people in here. Okay. So this is going to be the M2 screw. This is going to be the insert's inner diameter, and this is going to be the screw head. Screw. Yeah, like this. What? No. Ah. Okay. Now we're going. Okay, this should be enough, I hope. No, from the top parts. Yeah, now I cannot do this. Hold on. Probably want to connect in the middle of this line or this. That's easier. Yeah, let's do it. So this is free now, more or less. Let's remove these constraints. Let's make this coincident with this line so they can't move. If I delete this, shit, that's not what I wanted. Make parallel. Yeah, this will work. Now let's get here. Oops. Let's get the middle point. Oops. Okay, and if these are perpendicular, why isn't this fully constrained? Okay, no. I want to delete this constraint. And constraints are so annoying. Let's just redo the line. From here, I told you my computer was slow. This is not meant for streaming at all. So this line should be black. This should be the middle center. Okay, now we're talking. This is stuck, this is stuck, this is stuck. Nothing here. Let's copy the whole thing. Okay, and we are black in here, so it should be fine. 4 screws should be enough if this plate is thick enough, but it's going to be stuck in a few different ways, so it should be fine. Now here, let's do the same. Not this, but this line. Go to the middle of this. Same shit on this side. Where did he go? Not what I meant. Okay. These are open. Why? This one is open. Why? This no perpendicular constraint in here. Yeah, now we're talking. I'll probably have to make a square in here. Yeah, definitely. So these have to be the same size to ensure the square is really square. Let's make these let's just copy the dimensions from here. Okay, now this line is not defined. Oh, why? Yeah, let's just do it like this. These midpoints. Oh, that's way too big. No, that can't be. Unless... No. Can't do it. Or... Even better. I can use... like this reference. Now these can be equal. Yeah, now we're talking. Ah, shit. Okay, I'm quite happy with this. I'll just mirror everything, just the holes. Okay. By the way, at some point I'm planning to release some videos. Like when I hit certain mile points, for example, when I finish the CAD, I will 3D print it. So this must be some video about that at some point. I don't know. Or not. Like I can just decide. Wait, hold on. Which reference am I using? I want to use the local. So that means this one. Yeah, this is it. So now I should be doing like these holes. Let's just disable this. I don't need this. I feel like this shouldn't be in this frame tree, but because this is going to be a separate piece. And for this separate piece I have the hey, hold on, I'm being stupid. I need 2 extra screws. I don't. It will be more rigid if I use 2 more screws on each side. This shit is going to be heavy, so many screws. Like each time I add 2 screws in here, you have to multiply by 6, so it's 12 screws plus 12 inserts. The metal will stack plus on the other side, so 24 screws, 24 inserts, just for a small addition. Yeah, but I have to do it. Wait, do I have room for that? 4.5. Shit. 4. It will be real tight. Yeah, but I have to do it. It's going to be in line. So let's create an imaginary line in here. So I can use these as a guide. And now in the intersection I have my whole location. So this is going to attach the 2 parts of the frame together. What am I doing? I don't need this. I only need 1 screw in here in the middle. Yeah, because this is going to be holding into the frame anyway, so yeah, this has to go. This has to go. So everything is going to the middle in here to connect to this centerpiece. I didn't want to make this piece a rectangle, but that's my best option so far. and from last time I did this differently, so it's more rigidly attached. That's the only reason. Yeah, looks good. It's a little bit lighter, not that the weight matters that much because the servos are huge. No, I want to use this. Yes, sir. Okay. I have this. Now, should I put this together before or after? I kind of want to see how this looks, so let's do it now. The extrusions. So, extrude this and this. Let's cut the holes. What is this thing doing? Excluding this. This is trolling me. What the hell? Why does my CAD why does my CAD software always tries to fight me? I don't get it. Could believe nicely like this piece. I'll just do the whole thing, then I'll cut afterwards. Or no, I'll just cut it afterwards, it's easier. Yeah, because the screws don't, the screw head doesn't go all the way. I want like the screw. Yeah, I can't explain, you'll see later. Let's put the servos as well. By the way, I used the actual servo, like this CAD drawing, because that was so much easier. From objects. Now, how much should I extrude? Insert length at least plus screw head height. Yeah, it has to be flush plus, let's give in 1 or 2 millimeters. Is 1 enough? I don't know. Let's 1.6 just to be 3D printable. No, I don't need that much. Let's do 1. Let's do new components right here. Go. Okay. And I think I want to do the exact same thing on the bottom. Can I do symmetric? No. No, I can't. Wait, if I use the offset function? No, because then it will depend on the height of the servo. I don't want it. Wait, but yeah, let's do it. No, this is going to add complexity. And let's move this. Yeah, you can see because of my camera. Sorry guys. Delete this and let's do this all again. Yeah, this looks awful. Create bodies this time. No, minus, it was screw head height plus insert length plus 1, I guess. Let's do in parentheses so the math doesn't get screwed up. 5.5, that can't be. That's way too much. Hold on, that's not the piece I meant. Hold on, what am I doing? This is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, so you will be able to see it on here. Like, this is the timeline. I can jump forward in time and go back, and this is the shape I'm looking for. Top bot connectors, and let's delete this. Yeah, okay. Like, if this doesn't make sense, I'll be lost so fast. So I want to make and that's why I wanted to make this before. Yeah, I have to make this circle bigger. Let's remove these connections. Let's just remove this thing altogether. Okay, now if I extend this, create an arc. I don't really care how. So the points have to be connected, right? Right, now I get to play with this distance. Now I want it not all the way because this will look ugly, but hold on, I can make these points be coincident with this line. Same here. No. Okay, and if I do tangents, oh yeah, now we're talking. Now this looks ugly again. What is wrong? This is the midpoint of this, and this has to be collinear. Okay, better. Now, what is this, guys? Hold on, I don't need these holes. Everything is already defined. Like this. I just have to make sure this stays. Delete this point. Okay, this is an illegal constraint because I don't think this is going ever to be constraint. This little this is the center of the arc. Okay, what if I make like this? I'll run the edges in here with chamfers, but here it looks too close to the thing. How close? This is tiny. This is like one layer of plastic. So this can't be here. What if I make this like this? How much will this be? I can live with this. So center points to this line, auxiliary, center points, you center, not center point with this one, center point, this. Everything is fully defined. I'm happy with these results. Yeah, I got a thing here. I'll actually do the same thing. I just have to change these points, right? Yeah. So this is not going. I'll just delete. These are free. Wait. So this line has to be the same size as this. Okay, so they both can grow together. Oh, that will be cool. Can I do this that on this side? No. So this is almost centered. Let's see how it goes. 1.5. I can live with this, so let's do. Wait, no, I cannot. This goes on top of the electronics box. It has to be smaller. What if I make like a line, connect this here and here, and if these two are collinear, I can define a tolerance and it will never go bad. Now how much? Let's do 2 for the sake of simplicity. No, let's do 1.5. Let's just do a tangent. I don't know if I like this. How long does it get? 1.2. Yeah, I cannot do better than this. What about here? Almost 1.2. Yeah, this has to be it. So just have to mirror these things. Okay. Let's do the Y. Like, this is weird. The axes are a little bit twisted for me. The axis should be like this. So my thing is oriented the wrong way. For me, the X points in the front, left is Y, but who cares? Okay, now let's extrude this. Same way I was trying to do before. Start with the top. So let's just frame. Insert length +1, close the parentheses, and let's just copy the equation. Why is... Okay, now it's better. Let's clean everything so it's easy to see. New components, no. New body, no. Body inside this. Creating is not visible. Yeah, who cares? This doesn't hurt my design. Where is my object? Maybe I should listen to the warnings. And I don't have to do it in all the corners. I just have to do it on the corner legs and on the middle legs, but it's way more fun to do it this way. Wait, why? Okay, I was about to ask why do I have 8 profiles, but it's fine. Ah, now we're talking. Let's see the top frame. This is starting to look like what I imagine. And all up. Let's hide all the sketches and put a servo. Oh yes. Oh shit, this is too tall, isn't it? This is too tall. Yeah, it should be about 1 point. I can't even fit an inserts. And half a millimeter for the screw. Wait, let me check real fast with an actual servo if there's room for me to add a little bit more distance. So yeah, okay, this doesn't go to the top. I cannot show this in camera, like it's impossible. Oops. So you have the servo in here and this little piece. Yeah, you can see it, but there's a place where it gets much higher than that ridge I was talking about, that measures 1.5 millimeters. So can probably see it right here. Yeah, see, this gap is way bigger than this is in the drawing. Yeah, so yeah, it probably, wait, how high is this? 5.5. No way, this will be less than that, but at least I'll be able to put this. Hold on, there's another problem. Screws. I don't have screws for this. Yeah, there's a good chance I don't have screws for this because these guys are tiny. Yeah, you can see here, these guys are tiny. They included screws for this, but not for this, I think. There's a chance. We'll see. Yeah, but so far it's looking good. Okay, now let's make the little attachments. Or should we start drilling holes in here? It's only been 45 minutes. And by the way, I cannot join that centerpiece with these guys because there's no way I'm going to 3D print it. Or hold up, now there's no way. So let's probably have the holes, and if I do, we'll probably close this part of the frame. Then we'll have to worry about the battery size in here. Electronics box will be semi-opened. I'll try to make the wiring as best as I can. For the computer, I'm thinking about using a Raspberry Pi 4 for now. Then if I had the budgets, probably an Intel NUC or a Jetson Nano. It depends on which board I want to run. And this is the controller for the servos. Yeah, it's tiny. This will just be used as an interface. And I don't have a way to measure this, but they have mounting holes, which is quite cool. And they came with these little standoffs made of nylon with long screws. It's missing one screw, what the fuck? No, it's not, it was hidden. Okay, let's continue. So, holes. Let's try to keep this shape. It probably will be needed. Can I make this thing bigger? Let's measure from the center of this to here. This is under servo. Look from the top. It can be smaller, but it cannot cover the servo. That's the point. Yeah, but this, I don't like the way this looks so far. Let's try to change it. So it's this sketch. Now, how is this constrained? Can't remember. How did I get the dimensions of this line? This is equal to this thing. That's it? No foundations? No nothing? Honestly, I'm not understanding how I constrain this thing. Maybe here? No. This will break everything, I guess. Now they connect. Okay, I think I get it. There must be some... Okay, I get it. I get it. There's this radius. Okay, I can change this. Let's divide this by 3 instead. Much better. I could even make it tangent to here. But I'm not going to be using screws for this. These are servo screws, right? I can make them tangents. Now let's leave it like this. Then I can cut this corner. Yeah. What else? Yeah, holes. I was almost forgot. So let's start with the top. Remove this and this. No, not the... Ah, shit. I should have splitted this into components. Let's do it. Components, parents, top, and let's do this again. Bot. No. This. So these go to the bottom. These go to the top. Okay. Much better. Much better, much better. And if I go to the full thing, I get different colors. I'll just save it for now as a control. Let's mess with the top ones. Top holes. And for now, let's just say I will never find screws this tiny. How do people attach this? Now I'm wondering. Whatever. So let's do cut and all start. Okay, sure. Symmetric distance all. And now if I disable everything but these guys, they should get cut, right? Distance all. Yeah, I can do this. Ah, cool. So let's advance and repeat this feature. Now I'll just do one, and this will be the master. And fuck the others. Now for the bottom, I have to select this guy. This time these holes. Enable this. Targets here, and let's cut all. Go. Can't. Why? What about this? Cannot complete the extrusion. Why? I'm cutting. Ah, now you can. Oh, of course. Maybe I didn't tell it the distance. Object from here to all. Or I can do this. That's even better. That's even better. Actually, that's what I'm going to do here. From objects to objects. In case this. Great. Now, these should be. Where are these holes? Okay, these are the holes from the screws. Shouldn't be messing with these anymore. Hopefully, I don't want to. Now there's these connection holes. Yeah. Let's start with the bottom. So these will be tougher. So the inner screws will be all the way, and the insert as well. Yeah, these guys will be all the way. If I have an insert. Objects. Okay, it's fine. Now I'll have to redo some things. Connection holes. So I will actually rebuild. No, not rebuild. I'll actually now carefully from here. Screw head height. Cuts. And this will give me this. Yeah, and it will sit flush with the inserts, hopefully, and everything is great. So the insert goes from the bottom, enters here, what happened to the middle? Hold on, the middle didn't get selected. Insert enters through the bottom, screw to the top, connecting the two pieces, and that's it. I could even save one here. I could send them all. There's a good chance I'll have to remove the inserts. In that case, I'll just extrude all the way. Leave a little space for the screw to have something to hold on to, and ignore this. This will be thinner. Yeah. And my sketch is all twisted. Same thing here. So these guys go all the way. Why did I mirror all the holes? Now I don't get it. Actually, I don't. Sometimes I make stupid shit like this. Yeah, I messed up. Now we're talking. And I have to catch the master on this one. It's number 2. The connectors, I think they are done, so let's put them aside. Now this. So and maybe, yeah, let's do all of them. So at least, wait, I'm having an idea. What if I hold an insert in here in the bottom frame, that lid bolts screws into this part, and here I can get away with a smaller screw. That will work. That's what I'm going to do. So let's take, wait, should I put an insert in here as well? Probably. Like, it will be more rigid, yes. Will that make a difference? Don't know. Yeah, I'll do it. Why not? I remembered. These holes are for the frame, not for the covers. Oops. So, like, select the top frame. Actually, delete everything. I only want until the inserts. No, actually, I'll do different. I'll do this all the way. yeah, the middle goes all the way. Got 26, so it's 24, but those had two instead of one hole, two faces. Yeah, should be right. From here to why can't I do this? Ah, but now I can. I don't get this. From here to here. No. Why? Let's do the opposite way. From here to here. What does this even mean? X falls out of the boundary. I'll just do all. You're joking, right? All. Doesn't let me. Distance. Now it does. I don't get these shits. Let's do servo height divided by 4. And that should be equivalent. Wow. They didn't allow me to do it first try. Now let's continue. Now just these little crowns. Not this one, just this. So from objects, insert length. Yeah. Now I got this. Perfect. Oh my god, this is perfect. Great job. Now let's work on this. Same process, but this time I'll do them together. There's no need for the screw to go deeper than this. Okay. Then I'll measure it. If they don't fit, I'll just increase it by a little bit. This is going to be hidden, so if it gets a mess, I don't care. I'll start here, do minus inserts length like this, so I have a connection. Great. Now I wonder how long is this. If I go from here to here, 12. Do I have 12mm screws? I have 12mm, but I have to account with the next, so 15. I either have 14 or 16 or both. Let me check. 2016. I do have 16s. Twelves. 14s. So I have 14s and 16s. One of them will do. Now, when I get into the assembly, we'll see. Ideally, 15 will be the best option, but no. Wait, there's 1mm on the top, so 16s. Yeah. Now in the bottom, same process. Just inserts. I don't need more than that. Yeah, but one single screw will be much better. Unfortunately, the length is insane. Unless I cover the head, but that will not attach to the servo holder, so it wouldn't do anything, just to some rigidity, I guess. Not the diameter, the length. Go. Wow, I'm proud of this design. So now I shall be working on the side pieces. I'll have to do all of them because I have to connect the two pieces, the top from the bottom and from the sides. So let's do it. Start here. So let's start by doing a center line. Yep, this has to be touching something. This is good. Now I'll do two lines like this. Is this fixed? Yeah. I should be making this into a component. Let's go back. Connectors? No. Rectangle connectors? Maybe. Frame. Cuts. Connectors. Yeah. Let's do this. Sketch from this face. This is a ghost wall. You cannot see it because of the camera. But this is not constrained. No, it is constrained. So another line. This will be the midpoint. Make it perpendicular. Get this. Same thing here. Cross the midpoints and perpendicular. Good. Now I want this to be in the center, so easiest way, take diagonals, make this match, and this is fully constrained. This looks like a house. Come on, the house we all drew when we were like 6 in the kindergarten. So I have intersection here, and here. Because this is the middle point, this will be symmetric, so it should be good. This is M2. Probably won't even need it. Insert a meter and screw head. And I have to do this for all the sides because of the holes. Not the holes on the frame, not because of the rectangles themselves. So let's do with one, and then we extend to the others. That's a good approach. So holes. Now we're going to expand this body shape. Is this the shape? Yeah. Oh shit, I remember one thing. I cannot do this. These holes cannot exist. These holes cannot exist because there's going to be a screw somewhere. Oh no, the screw will be right through the center. Oh shit, I can actually do this. This will be insane if I can pull this off. So let's cut. So in here, I want to hide this. I want all of them. No, I don't want the head. Let's start from the back. This is all making me confusion. From here, this is the insert, so inserts length. What the fuck just happened? Okay, great. And now again, now just these little guys. From here to minus screw head height. Guys, it doesn't make sense. Of course it doesn't. So I have to go all the way. I fucked up, didn't I? Like this. Okay, now it's fine. Now it's fine. And I still have some disconnectors. No, I have one that bolts in here. No, top pot connectors. Hey, I was supposed to have one. What happened? Like this one has it. Okay, I need to see. Yeah, these guys have it. I'll have to mirror everything, right? Right, so let's go back. Let's go back before I freak out. Let's create a new sketch. I don't want to see the standoffs, the connectors, I mean. Let's do the exact same thing. You connect here, you connect here. Bam. Now you connect here, you connect here. Bam, bam, fully constrained. Also to whatever. Now let's cross it like this. Once again, let's just do some 2 random lines. I need to learn the shortcuts. I know some of them, for example the X is how I do these helper lines, but other than that I'm very weak. Like, I know the L does a line, and I know if I start from a line and I can do an arc, something like that. Ah, the D enables this. Now when I extruded this, I can this is the magic of this. I can do the same thing here, change nothing. That's the only difference. Yeah, I'll have to do it like this. Now if I edit this feature, no, what the fuck did I do? Okay, edit this feature. Let's start with a plane, and in what faces am I including? Okay, so let's include, come on, can't I select more faces? No. So I'll have, yeah, just let it finish. Yeah, that shouldn't be happening. Forgot the minus. What the fuck? Ah, okay, I had to select cuts. That's why. Now, if please give me something. Oh yeah, I got it. Now the question is, the corners are misaligned. Okay, so I'll just fix it. But for this, can just use, I just need the insert. So what I'm going to do is cut from the top. Can I use the bottom as well? That will be insane. No. Insert, no. No. Insert length. And I'll do this again. Oh my god, this will work. I'm so happy. Now let's see if one screw is enough on each side. It can twist, but it will be smashed. It will be secured in place, so probably it's going to be fine. Now it's important to fix this, so and I need as a reference the body shape. Yeah, this should be here. What am I doing? Delete this middle point constraint so I don't destroy the mirror. And I can do the same thing here. And now I can reapply this constraint. That's it. And just like that, everyone is fixed. Oh my god, I love so much parametric design and timelines and everything. That will be a mess to change. That will be a mess. So that's it. Now we also need to attach this to the frame, so we need to cut the frame as well to get an insert in that, and it will be insert facing an insert like this. Like so let's enable this. Wait, can I get away with just 3 sketches? I think I can. That's the thing, I think I can. So let's do get alignment connectors, new sketch. Computer is starting to die. That's normal. I have too many sketches going on in here. Disable everything. Have open sketch. Okay, this is the thing I'm editing. I need this. Do they have sketches? No. No. So which sketches am I watching? This? Okay. Is this secured? No. Of course I have this dangling. What? No. These dangling lines. So now I have one line. Connect like this. Please connect. Okay. Thank you. Can't get to these lines because there's too much thing going on in here. What the bro? Why am I having so much trouble in this? Okay, this will do. I don't care. Plus, I save one line. Let's start all over. Ah, okay, that was those connectors. Okay, now we're good. That was scaring me for a moment. is M2. Inserts. I need to change the name of the parameter. I'm just afraid it breaks everything. So I won't. Right, now let's this should have been here. Okay, I can do that. Okay, so now it's the time where we change everything. Let's extrude all of them at once, if that's even possible. All up. It's missing a hole in there. Yeah, I misclicked. Okay, now we're good. This goes back here. Now, what are these extrusions? Not really relevant. Now, this is relevant. I can actually delete that part. Please allow me. No. So this plane is defined by this surface, so they always align, so this should be fine. Now let's do this exact same thing in here. Now, my question is, because these guys, these and these are symmetric in pairs, can I use this sketch to cut on the other side? That's the point. Oh, I think I can. With a positive value. Oh, this is amazing. I love CAD. I love Fusion 360 when it doesn't break. You're going to listen to me saying this a lot. I love X until it doesn't break. Wait, what happened? Where's my sketch? Ah, okay. Wait, am I using the right one? Yeah. No, not save. This is what I got so far. These will be my robots. I'm starting to get proud. Of course, there's plenty of work to do, so yeah. For example, I don't know if I can use chamfers in here. Yeah, but the stream has been going for 1 hour 50 minutes. I think that's enough for today. Yeah, definitely some progress has been done, so I'm gonna finish the stream right here. Well guys, bye bye, see you next time.